Efflorescence, deliquescence and hygroscopic substances. Efflorescence refers to the process in which a solid compound, particularly a salt, loses its water of crystallization and forms a powdery deposit on the surface. This occurs when a hydrated compound is exposed to a dry environment, causing the water molecules within the crystal lattice to evaporate. During efflorescence, the water molecules escape from the compound, leaving behind a white or powdery residue on the surface. This residue is often seen on materials such as concrete, bricks, or stone. The phenomenon of efflorescence is commonly observed in buildings or structures where water has penetrated the material and dissolved salts are present. When the water evaporates, the salts migrate to the surface and crystallize, forming the powdery deposit. Efflorescence can affect the appearance and integrity of surfaces, and it is often an indication of water infiltration or moisture-related issues. Proper moisture management and sealing of surfaces can help prevent or minimize the occurrence of efflorescence. One examples of efflorescent substances along with their reactions. To washing soda, sodium carbonate decahydrate, Na2CO3.10H2O. The hydrated sodium carbonate crystals lose their water molecules and form an anhydrous powder when exposed to a dry environment. 3-calcium sulfate dihydrate, CaSO4. The hydrated calcium sulfate crystals lose their water molecules and transform into a dry powder, known as plaster of Paris, during efflorescence. 4-copper sulfate pentahydrate, CuSO4.5H2O. The blue copper sulfate crystals lose their water molecules and form a white powdery deposit when exposed to dry conditions. 5-magnesium sulfate heptahydrate, MgSO4.7H2O. The hydrated magnesium sulfate crystals lose water molecules and transform into a white powder when efflorescence occurs. 6-Glauber's salt, sodium sulfate decahydrate, Na2SO4.10H2O. The hydrated sodium sulfate crystals lose water molecules and transform into a white powder when efflorescence occurs. Deliquescence. Deliquescence is the process by which a solid substance absorbs moisture from the surrounding environment and dissolves in the absorbed water, forming a liquid solution. Deliquescent substances have a strong affinity for water and can attract and retain moisture from the air, leading to their dissolution. During deliquescence, the solid substance absorbs water vapor until it reaches a point where it becomes fully hydrated and forms a solution. This process is often accompanied by the formation of a liquid droplet on the surface of the deliquescent material. Conditions for deliquescence. Deliquescence is maximum when temperatures are low and the atmosphere is humid. It is minimum when the atmosphere is dry. Moisture is absorbed from the atmosphere and the crystals dissolve in the absorbed water and turn into a solution. Examples of deliquescent substances. 1. Caustic soda, sodium hydroxide, NaOH. 2. Caustic potash, potassium hydroxide, KOH. 3. Magnesium chloride, MgCl2. 4. Calcium chloride, CaCl2. Hygroscopy. Hygroscopy, also known as hygroscopicity, it refers to the property of a substance to absorb and retain moisture from the surrounding environment. Hygroscopic substances have a strong attraction to water molecules and can readily absorb moisture from the air, even in relatively low humidity conditions. Unlike deliquescent substances that dissolve in the absorbed water, hygroscopic substances primarily absorb moisture into their structure without undergoing dissolution. The absorbed water molecules form physical bonds with the substance, leading to an increase in its moisture content. Examples of hygroscopic substances include anhydrous calcium chloride, CaCl2, calcium oxide, CaO, phosphorus pentoxide, P2O5, silica gel, conc. Sulfuric acid, H2SO4.